Hey guys, so I figured since I made a video at my grandma's where I was listening for birds and cicadas during the day, I figured I would walk through my neighborhood and do the same, so here we go. I hear a song sparrow behind me somewhere. There it was again. I'm hearing a southern ground cricket right there. I think those are crickets that I commonly hear during the day and night. I think I hear another song sparrow up this way. And if I tried to clear out as much storage on my phone as I can, so if the video randomly cuts off, it's because I ran out of storage. I hear a American robin somewhere. Sounds like it's over there in that tree, maybe. Oh, it's on top of the house. Hopefully you could see it. Oh, I heard a swamp cicada. Yeah, see, I think that was a pine tree cricket I heard the other night because, see, I can actually see the row of pine trees back there. There's another robin. You might have just been able to hear that swamp cicada faintly. It just called again. I hear another robin somewhere. And there's a bird, I think. I know you guys heard that swamp cicada. If you didn't hear that, then I don't know what to tell you. You have hearing damage. No, I'm kidding. Oh, another robin right there. I have a lot of those in my neighborhood, I feel like. There's the swamp cicada over there again. And there are wind chimes on that porch. I'm sure you could see those. It's a little bit windy out right now. There's a wind chime on that porch too. I heard another song sparrow. You can see the flag blowing up there. There's another robin up that way. I hear some southern ground crickets right through here. Ah, great. The recycling truck is here. Dang it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wait for it to be done and then I'll continue walking. All right, I waited for the recycling truck to get done up this way so that way I could go up here. I don't know if you can hear anything over all the wind though. It's very windy. I might even record a windy day video. I'm not really hearing anything up this way. Oh, as soon as I said that, I heard a song sparrow and American robin over that way somewhere. Oh, and there's a couple wind chimes up on that porch. There goes a bird flying that way. I think I might have just heard either a cedar waxing or a European starling. It was so far away I couldn't tell though. That southern ground cricket's really going fast. I don't know if you can hear it from here. I think those are the trees I normally hear the common true katydids in, as well as way over there. Oh, dog. Oh, of course, more trucks are coming. Of course, this has to happen while I'm recording. Why wouldn't it happen any other time, right? Another song sparrow. Oh wow, the wind chimes are pretty loud now. I don't know if you could hear them or not. I'm trying not to record the house too much. There's a bird on top of that house, which I think is a robin again. I might be able to hear the trigs at the end of the street again, like I did there the other night. I hope I hear more cicadas. I feel like I haven't heard many of them. My neighborhood has had a lot less this year. I feel like because literally I will go days without hearing one at a time. Let me rephrase that. You hear how fast that southern ground cricket's going? Or probably where it's so hot right now. Well, I was saying, I think, what was I saying before? I forgot. Oh yeah, I was saying hopefully I hear I feel like I hear a trig up that way faintly right now. I was saying, oh yeah, I was saying, is that a gray catbird? Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, it is. I just got a good look at it. And it's mocking other things now. I don't know if you can hear it. I was saying it. I feel like this year we haven't had as many cicadas at all in my neighborhood. Like there'll be times where I'll go days without hearing one. I'm hearing another robin. I'm sure you can hear the robin now. And some more southern ground crickets are right there. I just heard another song sparrow way out in the distance. I don't know if the phone caught it though. Oh, I hear a gray catbird. I think that was them flying in the trees. That's one that my grandma doesn't get a lot of. Well, one of my grandmas has a couple of them, but my other grandma doesn't have them at all. Like my grandma's house, the one I usually film at, she doesn't have them at all. My other grandma's house, the one where I recorded the spring trigs at, she has a couple of them, but still not like what I do. I don't feel like more southern ground crickets. I think those are the one ground cricket that regularly calls during the day. Ah, great. I think I hear the recycling truck coming back behind me. Oh, I hear a southeastern field cricket. So I guess you can hear those during the day too. All right. I feel like I'm hearing a Thomas's trig really faintly, but I'm not for sure. No, I actually don't hear any trigs in these like I thought I would. Huh. I'll walk down this way a little bit like I did before. Here comes the trash truck now. Of course all this has to happen while I'm recording. If I wasn't recording, they would have came later. There's a couple, I think vultures flying through the air. I'm not sure which one. Maybe the black vulture. Oh, I'm hearing some trigs now. I feel like. And there's a car coming. Hang on. All right, hopefully you can hear the trig now. I'm gonna assume it's a sage trig, considering the fact that I think the spring trigs kind of die off in July, I think is what I read. I'll have to look back again. More southern ground crickets right there. Oh, and I heard another trig over there. Probably still a sage trig. I'm hearing real faintly that thing I think's a Thomas's trig. I don't know if the camera got it though. I heard a goldfinch somewhere. There it was again. I hope the camera got it. And a robin. That's a sign that needs to be up in every neighborhood. For real though, that sign that needs to be up in every neighborhood, because I feel like a lot of people just do not care if their dogs poop and then they don't even clean it up. I think that's very rude and annoying, especially if someone steps in it. Like, yeah, that's just, I honestly wish it was a let me think what I'm trying to think of. I honestly wish that officers would enforce it more, if I'm being completely honest, because I feel like honestly that's something that the police does not focus on enough. I didn't know they had chickens in their backyard. I'm literally seeing them walk around in the fence. I heard another gray catbird. I think that was a chipping sparrow I just heard. I don't know if you heard it. There's the gray catbird. I know you hear that. And another southern ground cricket. I only heard cicadas in that one spot this time. And I don't understand why I don't have as many this year. Maybe it's because of all the cold snaps we got in the spring. I feel like this year we definitely had a lot more cold snaps than we did last year. At least in my area. Which might be the reason as if to why there's not as many cicadas around this year. It may have killed some of them as they were trying to grow. Another southern ground cricket up that way. And I see a gust of wind coming. I'm hearing another sage trig really faintly up that way. I don't know if the phone can get it though. Another southern ground cricket. Well, I'm back home now, so I think I'm gonna end the video here before I run out of storage. Bye.